Innovation. Sustainable practices. Modern manufacturing. ISO 9001-2015. Eco-friendly recycling. Shri Sabhari Smelters Private Limited. Emerging Cleantech Revolution. Lead is a naturally occurring, corrosion-resistant heavy metal. Lead and lead alloys are versatile and largely used in battery industries. India features in the list of leading nations that manufacture lead. Shri Sabhari Smelters is one among India's finest manufacturers of lead and lead alloys. The Chennai-based Indian company was established in 2010 and the production unit runs on high-end technology, backed by the best minds in the metallurgy industry. The management transforms every success into an opportunity to grow further, raising the bar with every milestone achieved. Our group companies, Shri Sabhari Smelters Private Limited, manufacturer of lead and other lead alloy products. Angu Steels Private Limited, manufacturers of iron and steel products. Anand's Metal Trading Company, importer and trader for ferrous and non-ferrous metal scraps. KRK Industries, manufacturer and recycler of plastic granules. Shri Sabhari is credited with delivering products of superior quality, and over the years, the product portfolio has expanded to suit customer demands. With a strong patronage in Middle East, Australia, USA, UK, and the Far East countries, this robust buyer-supplier network gives Shri Sabhari the advantage of smooth inflow of materials and a flourishing market for the products. The company has a trustworthy group of sellers worldwide who help them source lead scraps. Shri Sabhari puts sustainability, environmental concerns and safety at the forefront in every stage of its operations. Equipped with the latest technology, the production unit handles a capacity of 18,000 metric tons per annum. Delivering high-quality, cost-effective products at unbeatable turnaround times. The unit boasts of an automatic battery crusher, smelting rotary furnaces, and alloying pot. Shri Sabhari has a well-developed R&D department complete with an advanced grade spectrometer from Germany and a wet chemistry lab. The R&D department, along with the company's integrated quality management system, ensure that only the best materials enter the unit and only the finest products leave the unit. At Shri Sabhari, employees at every level, including the management, have a sense of ownership towards the employee safety program. The workforce exhibits safe work practice and active participation in soft skill and technical training. This helps them to stay motivated and remain on top of their game. Our mission is to become the leading brand in the lead industry while constantly innovating and striving towards excellence. With operational excellence and a growing market, Shri Sabhari Smelters Private Limited is affirmative that the company is headed towards a sustainable growth. Shri Sabhari Smelters Private Limited. Emerging Cleantech Revolution.